What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to continue the series that has been absolutely on fire. It's been in fuego, and that is the EV series I started. Today I'm going to be talking about Electra Meccanica, which is also known as Solo, a Canadian-based company, and man, do they have a punch in the EV market. So if you're interested, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we dive into Solo, I ask that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it has been amazing what you guys are doing. So once again, I thank you. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. Now, for all you new YouTubers out there, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you gonna get? Well, I'm here to answer that. You're gonna be able to know anytime I upload a video, and what those videos are gonna contain are gonna be stock news, just anything in general, investments, investment news, and business. So please subscribe to my channel. Electra Meccanica, also known as Solo. This thing is actually really freaking cool. It's a three-wheeled one-person vehicle that can go up to 100 miles, maxing out at 80 miles per hour. Hopefully I got all the information in there. Oh, and did I mention it's enclosed? This thing is absolutely amazing. It's pretty cool what it can do. It has Bluetooth, it has a stereo. It feels like you're driving inside a car, and honestly, it feels like I've driven one and I never have. I've just seen a lot of videos on it. I think this thing is actually really cool, and I do think there is a market for it. This Canadian-based company out of Vancouver is not shorting you by no means if you were to purchase one of these vehicles. It has so many accessories. It comes with an amazing stereo. It has heated seats. It has a backup camera. I mean, this thing is loaded with the accessories. But the thing is, when you look at it big picture, it's not gonna be a monster auto loan like some people are trying to avoid. On top of that, it's gonna be zero emissions, and it's gonna have 99% less of the parts that a regular gas automobile would have. Now, I'm going to repeat that. It has 99% less parts than a gas automobile would have. So that's going to be less maintenance. There's going to be a lot less bills if something were to break down, possibly. I mean, this thing's going to run off a battery, it's going to have an axle, and it's going to go. This thing is absolutely cool. Meccanica, also known as Solo, has been trading up a little bit as of late. And Aegis, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, Aegis Capital came out and gave a price point of $4 for this stock. I mean, where this thing was trading at a long period of time, it was in the 99 cent to $1. It would creep up a little bit and come back down. So for it to be where it's currently at and in the uptrend, that is really good news for this company. Going through this absolute amazing time of the electrical vehicle market, and so if you want a different perspective and so a little bit more analysis on Solo, I suggest you swing over to YouTuber Justin Scott and click on his video that involves Solo. I'm telling you, he goes into so much detail and really breaks it down for you, and I recommend going to his channel. What would help him out tremendously too is if you smash that subscribe button every time of the video, and I'm hoping it's yours too, and that is going to be chart breaking down time. So swing on over here and let's Electra Meccanica right into this thing. So today it opened at $4.80, it got as high as $5.46, and it got as low as $4.38. The volume was phenomenal. It was at 70 million.33, and its average volume is around 10.53. So guys, with the EVs just smashing the headlines in the news, you're gonna see a lot of volume on these things. The market cap is $296.6 million. Its 52-week high is $6, and its 52-week low is 89 cents. So we're getting pretty close to constantly bouncing off that $6 mark. Today it closed at $4.71, which was 13.49% up. And in the aftermarket, it climbed even a little more and closed at $4.94, which is at 4.88% increase. Now we're looking at the 1 month chart, and once again, you're going to see this a lot with these EV companies. You know, they had some fluctuation, and maybe they had a little bit of news where it impacted the stock, but it just wasn't enough to really ramp these things up. But then they really hit the market, they really hit the news, and on June 30th, this thing just started to climb. It peaked out, it dropped a little bit, and it just smashed going up again. Now, that's when it probably hit its $6, which was, I believe, July 5th. And then obviously we had a come down, it rose back up, and then we're sitting where we're at today. I think this thing has the capabilities of climbing just a little bit more. I do foresee it maybe hitting $8. I have a little bit of resistance right now just because there is so much saturation in the EV market, and it's not really a Tesla, and it's not really filling a need like a workhorse would be. I'm not saying that this isn't a good investment or even an opportunity to make a trade, but I just don't feel that it is really where a Tesla is going to be at, or where a workhorse might be at, or even some of these other EV companies like Nikola, with them filling a need. I think this could be a potential, but I just feel that they have a lot more that they're going to need to supply. That's why I only put them at about $8 for right now, and that's just where I feel. Appreciate you guys swinging by and watching my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my channel. And as always, have a good day.